Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. If you are not yet a subscriber, feel free to do so. It will help my channel a lot. Today I'm going to use UV resin. This one or no matter. Chameleon pigments. A small instrument, I don't remember the name, and a small brush. And this pendant mold. Don't mind this one, it's leftover resin that I poured into it a while back. I'm going to try a technique I saw on the Tea and Art channel and on Daniel Cooper's channel. I've been wanting to try this technique for a long time, but I've been very busy with my testing and experimenting. So, today we are going to try this technique. I'm going to put on my mask because even if it's UV resin and it seems less harmful, well, no. It's just as toxic as epoxy, and on top of that I find it smells very strong, so I'm going to put my mask and open my window. Well, let's get started. I hope I'm going to be skilled enough to do this. I'll take my UV resin. At first I thought about doing it straight up, but no. I'll pour it into a small cup. It will be easier and less hazardous. And then I'll dip my tool in it and I'll put drops, like water drops or rain drops. I'll try to make a few different sizes. If I can do it well, I will try to transpose it into other creations. I have some ideas in my mind. Now I'm going to try to work on them a little bit with the other side of my tool. It's a little thin. I'm trying to make them longer to give the illusion of a raindrop. So you can leave the drops as they are. So here it's a little work of patience, because you have to keep a certain thickness, let's say constant. It's not necessarily obvious, but it can be done. As it's my first try, I go slowly. And then I put this under my UV lamp for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So, it's done. I check that it's hard enough, that the resin is well cured. It seems good. Yes, it's not sticky, so it's okay. And now I take my little brush and I apply my Chameleon pigment, yes, powders. Pigment powders, don't know. Of course, the colors are up to you. Me, I picked a few, but you use the colors of your choice and not necessarily Chameleon powder. No, it's not necessary, of course. So here you can see how it looks. The highlights are great. I love Chameleon pigments. So I'm going to fix the corners a little bit. I forgot about them. So I'm going to add a little powder. So that's it for this one. And I'm going to do another one. I don't know which one yet. So see you in a second. Well, here I have drawn a kind of X. Well, a shape. Anyway, it works really well with the UV resin. It gives me a lot of ideas. Here it's a shape. Okay. I'm going to prepare my epoxy resin. I won't need much. I'll try to not let myself go overboard on the quantity, as always. I prepared my resin and added a black pigment to it. I find that chameleons with black, it comes out very well. I think you could use white or any other color, but with the black, the contrast is great. I haven't tried it with any color or other color, so I don't know if it looks as good as the black. So all I have to do is to pour into my molds. And of course, I have some left over. I didn't make much, but I have some left over. So I'm going to put some powder in 2 other molds to use this resin. And now I'm going to put my mold in my curing machine. I'm going to pass a little bit with my lighter for the air bubbles, and I'm also going to put an alcohol spray on it. And okay for the curing. There you go. I let it harden in my machine for an hour. I'm going to start with the ones where I didn't do the drop effect. I leave the surprise for the others. So let's see how it looks. These Chameleon pigments really do have some great highlights. I really love these pigments. Let's see the round one. I don't know how well you can see. I have got a little bit of pink, a little bit of gold and blue. So beautiful. Okay, this is from moving my mold, little overflow. And now let's see the others. I can't wait. Whoa, yes, whoa, it's beautiful. I'm so happy. Well, my drops are a little too aligned, but I'm so happy with the result. It looks just like I wanted it to. I feel like I'm going to show you a little video series with the drops. And now my kind of X. I could have done another shape, of course, but it will come, yes. Oh, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. The effect is really great. And then the reflections of the pigment, oh my gosh, I love it. I'm going to make a little video in the daylight and with the sun. Oh, it's really too cool. I'm really happy, and for once everything worked well. No disaster. And here is to the daylight. I hope you can see all the reflections because it's really too beautiful. There are really a lot of reflections. Oh, I love it. I love them. I love them. Yes. And even the simple pendants are great. So I'll add some pictures at the end too in the daylight. So I'm so excited. I'm going to make some more. Oh yes. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a little thumbs up. And take care of yourself. So, see you soon. Bye.